Join me today and welcome to the beautiful Costa. We'll share with you one of our top luxury listings. Welcome, my name is Sarah Breitlander, co-owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate and coming to you from the sunny shores of Costa Rica. Today I want to take you on a video tour of one of my latest exclusive listings, a newly constructed 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home that beautifully pairs its contemporary architecture with stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. So join me today as we explore the sleek and stylish Casa Blanca. Upon entering Casa Blanca, you will immediately notice the use of large windows, which capture the natural light and serve to bring the outdoors in. Built by one of the premier architectural design and construction firms in Guanacaste, Casa Blanca offers its guests a serene environment while being surrounded by the tranquility and peace of Mother Nature. The kitchen and living area has a bright, open concept and features KitchenAid appliances, tray ceilings that create captivating focal points, and sliding glass doors that open beautifully to the blue skies, lush jungle, and turquoise waters of the Pacific Ocean. Casa Blanca also has a cozy and cheerful family room with teak ceilings and the same dramatic views of the ocean. This home has 3 bedrooms, each of which has its own ensuite bath and pristine ocean views. The principal bedroom and bathroom suite features 180-degree ocean views, dual vanities, and both indoor and outdoor showers. Best of all, Casa Blanca has a grand outdoor entertaining space, complete with covered balconies to enjoy rain or shine, a large infinity-edge pool with jacuzzi area, and of course, jaw-dropping views of the ocean and the highly anticipated Flamingo Marina, which just accepted its first boats into the harbor. This home is located in the nature-loving community of La Marcela, conveniently located directly behind the beach town of Playa Potrero. Playa Potrero has an abundance of restaurants, bars, and shops, and a thriving local and expat community. Casa Blanca is located 20 minutes from the private schools of La Paz and Rica, and from quality medical care. It is also only 40 minutes from the Daniel Oduber International Airport in Liberia, making it easily accessible for my international homeowners. Again, my name is Sarah Breitlander, and if this home and its magnificent ocean views appeals to you, then feel free to reach out to me or a Krain agent today. Thank you, and Pura Vida.